Hello students, today we'll be looking at Rotter's locus of control. Rotter's locus of control is one of the most influential theories that has been given by Julian Rotter. He is an American psychologist who came up with the locus of control theory of personality. Now, locus of control of theory of personality is part of the social learning theory. The reason why it is called a social learning theory is that through the course of our life, through various experiences that we have, we learn to relate to certain events that happen in our life as either positive or negative, and we also learn to ascertain whether those things have happened to us because of our own doing or because of external others. So when we are looking at these two aspects of personality, one side looks at internal locus of control while the other looks at external locus of control. The internal locus of control person will point towards themselves and say, possibly I am the reason why a certain event has happened in my life. It could be because of my mood, my attitude, my behavior, and things as such. However, if a person falls in the external locus of control, they are more oriented to possibly blame the events of their life or put the onus of the events of their life on external others, luck, or fate. In order to understand this better, let us look at two examples. Let's think about an assignment that has been not submitted on a particular deadline. If we ask somebody with an internal locus of control, pointing towards themselves, they are more likely to say something like, I possibly did not manage my time well, or I did not do my work at a certain point of time, and that is why I have not been able to get my assignment done. However, if we were to ask the same question to a person with external locus of control, why is the assignment not done? They are more likely to say something like, the internet was bad, my computer was not working, things as such. Let's look at another example. If we were to look at a promotion at a workplace, a person with an internal locus of control would accept that promotion saying that I came on time, I met all my deadlines, I helped my fellow colleagues, I surely deserve this promotion. But if we were to ask the same question to a person with external locus of control, we'd say something like, why do you think you got this promotion? They would say something along the lines of, I possibly was lucky to apply to this job at the right time. I possibly am just a favorite, possibly to the CEO, or they would say something like it was just fate that got me this promotion. Now, which one of these orientations is better when we look at locus of control of personality? If we look at internal locus of control, it could possibly be that a person is very oriented towards only looking at their own fault or blaming themselves in the face of everything. These type of personality types could possibly be these types of personality types could possibly become anxious and overly hold themselves responsible in situations even when they did not have any control. Whereas on the other hand, in external locus of control, we might say that this person is very responsible. They always blame others for the things that are happening in their life, and they could also be looking at only not taking any responsibility for the things that are occurring in their life. Both of these personality types don't show that one is better than the other. In the course of our life, it is better to keep moving along this continuum between internal and external locus of control. But because it is a social learning theory, at the end of our life, we will start to see that a majority of us fall somewhere on one end of the spectrum. We will either be more internal locus of control oriented or more external locus of control oriented. I hope that helps you. With your concept of internal and external locus of control. Thank you.